I got some flour here. We're going to add some of my spice. Little essence. Little essence. What we're going to do real quick, we're going to take the squid like this. Make it happy. Gotta have happy. So you can probably see that I've got this flame pretty high. And what we're going to do is we're going to take some olive oil in here. And what we're going to do is once that oil gets hot, we're always looking for that smoking point right now because we don't want the squid to be soggy right now. We're going to just dust the flour like this. You see what I'm doing? And then what we're going to do now, unbelievable. All right, we're going to take all the squid out of there. That's the water content, folks. You want to be careful on a serious note. Then we're going to eliminate most of this oil here. Okay? But you see, I've got that stuff in there. I like that stuff. Yeah, that's good stuff. A little bit of oil. We're going to add some onion now. Let's add just a little fresh olive oil to this, shall we? And we'll do a little salt, pepper. 3-4 minutes. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add some garlic, about 50 cloves. Now, can you smell that? Happy. Once the garlic cooks a little bit, we're going to add some diced tomatoes. And then I'm going to give you a little secret. When the tomatoes, like right now, they're ripe, but they're not, they're good, but they're not, So what I do to I add a little bit of sugar. Oh, yeah, babe. We add a little sugar. Now, we've got the squid out of the pan. Garlic, onions. See all of that stuff we scraped off the bottom there? Oh, it's happy right now. Little salt, little pepper. Then what we'll do, we'll add a little beer to this. And we'll let this simmer a little bit, getting that flavor, that alcohol evaporating. We're getting all that nice, happy flavors in there. We'll come back to that, all right? All that beer, look, evaporated. And you see how it's kind of like ragu-y now? This is what you want to do right at the end. We've got the squid like that. I love this. Love this. It's a cooking thing. It's a food of love. Getting me all excited. That's when your brain kind of kicks in that common sense thing. You know what I mean? Like, would you like more salt? Yes. Would you like it spicier? Absolutely. All right, we got that. Got that there. You can finish it how you want. Green onions, parsley, whatever you want to put in there. Chives, you know what I'm saying. Be happy. Right at the end, you put the squid right back inside like that. Okay? Then you just kind of right at the end, you go 1, 2, a couple of 3, 4s like that, 5, 6. There it is, done, all right? Little essence like that, little like that, bam! There you have it.